Hello everyone, this is Samir. Welcome back to my channel EasyGet. Now we'll be solving our next question. Look at the question. A fully charged mobile phone with 12-volt battery is good for 10 minutes talk time. Assume that during this talk time the battery is going to deliver a constant current of 2 amperes. That means we are given with this talk time, that is 0 to 10 minutes. During this talk time the battery is going to deliver a constant current of 2 amperes. And if the voltage drops linearly from 12 volts to 10 volts as shown in this figure, that means during this start time the voltage is dropping from 12 volts to 10 volts as you can see in this figure. This is the voltage expression, nothing but this is the voltage curve, which is a straight line. Okay, these are just dotted lines. Okay, this is the actual graph of v of t, that is nothing but our voltage. Now, we need to find out the energy delivered by the battery during this start time. That means we need to find out the energy during this 0 to 10 minutes, okay, delivered by the battery. Okay, we need to find out the energy delivered by the battery from 0 to 10 minutes. Now, look at the question one more time. We can see that we are given with the current and voltage. We are given with the current and voltage, and we need to find out our energy. By the previous lecture we already know that energy means what? Integration of power. Okay, energy means what? Integration of power. Power is nothing but multiplication of voltage and current. That means we need to multiply voltage and current, and we need to integrate the product of voltage and current, so that we will get our energy. That is our required answer. Okay, now now you try to solve this question by yourself, so that you will get the clarity on the concept. You pause the video and try to solve this question. Okay, and comment your answer in the comment section. I hope you have solved the question and got the correct answer. Now look at my solution. Okay, now look at my solution. We are given with the 2 ampere constant current, and we need to find out this voltage expression. Okay, we need to find out this voltage expression by using our straight line equation. So I am not choosing that method, because in the gate exam we need to solve any question within minutes, so that we will be solving this question by area approach. Okay, look at the area approach. To apply area approach, we need to convert this minutes into seconds, because the energy is nothing but in joules. We will measure the energy is in joules, that is nothing but watts per second. Okay, energy is nothing but in joules, that is nothing but watts per second. That means we need to shift this minutes into seconds. Okay, 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds, so 10 into 60 seconds will become 600 seconds. Okay, now look at the area approach. At the area approach, by this area approach we can see that energy is nothing but integration of voltage into current with respect to time. Okay, the integration limits are nothing but our talk time, that is 0 to 600 seconds. Okay, which is in joules. So which can be written as integration 0 to 600 seconds into v of t into, we are given with the constant current of 2 amperes. So I am replacing this 2 amperes current with I am replacing this I of t with 2 amperes current into dt. Okay, this is a constant, so take out this constant, we'll get 2 into integration 0 to 600 v of t dt. Okay, v of t dt, integration of 0 to 600 seconds, v of t dt, will get this integration. In any kind of integration, it is going to give area under the curve. Okay, that means we need to find out the area under the v of t curve, and we need to multiply with this 2. We will get our required answer, that is our required energy. Okay, so which is nothing but 2 into area under the v of t up to 600 seconds. Okay, now look at the v of t curve again. Look at this V of t curve. This V of t is a straight line, and the area under the V of t is nothing but a triangle area plus a rectangle area. That means we need to find out this triangle area, and we need to add this and we need to find out this rectangle area, and we need to add these two areas. We will get the area under the curve V of t. Okay, the base of the triangle is nothing but 600 seconds, and the height is nothing but 2 volts, and the base of this rectangle is nothing but 600 seconds, and the height of the rectangle is nothing but 10 volts. Okay, now try to find out this area of this triangle and rectangle and substitute in that equation, which is nothing but 2 into the area of the triangle plus area of the rectangle, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into 600, that is nothing but our base, into height, that is 2, plus 600 into 10. This is the area of the rectangle, this is the area of the triangle, into 2. This is our previous 2. Okay, now you try to find out this sum, we'll get 13.2 kilojoules. Okay, I hope you have understood this lecture and got the clarity on the concept. In the next lecture, we'll be discussing, okay, this problem. If you want to try this problem, try, and if you got the correct answer, reply in the comment section. Thank you.